So, what do you know about kombucha? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. Kombucha is a fermented drink made from sugar, yeast, bacteria, and green or black or oolong tea. It's made by adding a symbiotic colony, also known as SCOBY, made of yeast and bacteria, to the tea and the sugar. Did you know the word kombucha comes from the Japanese language? Well, yes and no. Kombu means kelp, or seaweed, and cha means tea. Some scholars believe that Westerners have actually misapplied the word and have made it to refer to all kinds of fermented teas regardless of the ingredients.
Like a baka.
Okay, so this is totally weird. You can make clothes out of kombucha. I know. Drying out the SCOBY used to make the drink leaves you with a leather-like cloth called microbial cellulose, usually dyed with organic plant-based dyes. It's been used to make seamless clothing. Have you ever heard of hard kombucha? It's basically the boozier version. The proportions of tea, sugar, and starter culture are different, and it's fermented for a longer period of time. And because of that, more sugar is converted into alcohol. Author of the book The Better Period Food Solution, Tracy Lockwood Beckerman, registered dietitian nutritionist, says, at this time, it's not guaranteed you'll be getting a significant amount of alive and helpful probiotics in hard kombucha. In just 8 ounces of kombucha, you will find 34 calories, 0 grams of protein, 0.6 grams of fat, 0 grams of fiber, and 5.8 grams of carbs. Kombucha also contains things like vitamin B6 and vitamin B12, riboflavin, thiamine, niacin, probiotics, and antioxidants. The tea dates back to approximately 2,000 years ago to ancient China, where it was used to cure such things like arthritis. More recently, however, people all over the world have been using it for things like acne, tiredness, headaches, and constipation. So now that it sounds like kombucha can run the whole world, Healthline.com did give a couple of precautions. If you're consuming too much, here are at least 4 things you should be aware of. Number 1, it may lead to excess calorie consumption. Some brands are high in calories and could contribute to weight gain. Number 2, it may contain excess amounts of added sugar. Some kombucha drinks are sweetened with fruit juice or cane sugar to make them more palatable to a wider market. Number 3, kombucha is best avoided by specific people. Due to its very small alcohol content, caffeine, and lack of pasteurization, people with weak immune systems, pregnant women, and women who are currently breastfeeding are said to best avoid drinking kombucha. That being said, there are still no major studies that have proven this. And finally, number 4, it may cause bloating and digestive distress. Not only is kombucha carbonated, it also contains FODMAPs, which may cause digestive upset in some people. I know, you're probably wondering, what's a FODMAP? Let me explain. FODMAP stands for fermentable oligo-D-monosaccharides and polyols, short-chain carbs resistant to digestion. Instead of being absorbed into your bloodstream, they end up at the far end of your intestine, where most of your gut bacteria lives. This bacteria uses these carbs for fuel, and in the process produces hydrogen gas, causing digestive symptoms in some sensitive people. For example, those with IBS. Wow, that was a mouthful. See you in the next video. Bye.